Hello guys, this is my diary and update for this week. It's Friday, happy Valentine's Day. So that's the front of the house, looks bahay na talaga. And finally, the supplier, they delivered some materials now needed for our roof, like zipper lanes, angle bar, tubular, square bar, ano pa kayong bar dyan. So, and for the color roof, installation and other things like wall flashing, some gutters and fascia cover, they will deliver this coming Wednesday kasi it's customized kasi ang size. So, and it doesn't fit in their truck and it's coming from Cagayan de Oro. So, yan nga na delay. And then also, that's our rooftop. So, the beam and hollow blocks, they are all cured. So, they are ready to put for the trusses very soon. And looking down, look at them, guys. It's very small, the people there. And that's our terrace. So, it's half hollow blocks and half steel handrail for the safety for everyone, guys. So it's high, so we need to make sure it's safety. And far there, that's our emergency exit ladder, so that's going down. We can do that one also, steel stairs. So that's all the guys for the update for that area. And the workers, they are slowly working for the what you call it one, form work. They are slowly removing that since the beams are cured. And today they are starting working for the trusses. So hopefully by Monday they can start putting the steel bar. That barga is very heavy, so that's what they said. And so I'm really we are appreciated all the workers there. Thank you very much for your hard work and support. So thank you also to my sister Joy and Kuya Noning for your unending support, and also my videographer Edwin and my brother June. Thank you very much, guys, kasi kung wala kayo, wala rin kami magagawa kasi we are here in Canada. So thank you guys for watching and have a nice day. God bless you all.